Okay, I have another ABUS 7240. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, the lock does work. It is not key retaining. You can remove the key once the lock is open, or even remove it before the lock is open, really. Okay, it is locked up. I'm sure that this ABUS has the same type of pins in it as all these 7240s, but we'll open it, gut it, and take a look at it. Okay, let's see if we can use the top of the keyway. Let's use this little pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's pin 3, pin 1, felt like a little bit on pin 2, okay, there's pin 5, okay, there we got a little bit of a false set then. See if we can, there's a little bit more on pin 3. See if we can get under pin 4. Okay, there's pin 4. Let's go with pin 5. Okay, and it's open. Okay, there we go, got the core out. Alright, let's go ahead and lay it down. Okay, let's see if we can get the clip off. Okay, there's a clip. Excuse me just a moment. I got my follower again. Okay, let's see if we can do it now. Okay, slid out. Okay, we have all pins in. It okay, they're all in and working. Alright, let's. Okay, pin 1 and 2 is standard. Pin 3 and 4 is standard. Pin 5, pin 6 is standard. And there has not been anything changed up about the plug. Okay, let's check our top pins. Okay, pin 1 is a standard pin. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a spool. Okay, pin 4 is a spool. Pin 5, spool. And pin 6 is also a spool. So this ABUS is just like all the rest of the ABUS 7240s. Has one standard pin and 5 spools. Okay, we lost 2 springs that popped out. Okay, there's one of them. Got one more that popped out. Here's the other one. Okay, that's what we have in this ABUS 7240. Appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.